I'm Lauren Corrett, Customer Success Lead here at DataDive. I have the privilege of speaking to some of our 10,000 plus users on a daily basis. And today I wanted to give you a general understanding of what DataDive is and how it can help you. It doesn't matter if you're new to Amazon and you're just looking to validate a product, or if you're an agency and you have hundreds, maybe even thousands of listings. There's going to be a feature within DataDive that is going to help you, and it's going to meet you where you already are. I will say that DataDive actually gets started with a Chrome extension. You go into Amazon, a place that you're already visiting, and in just a few clicks, you're able to get started. Once you land in the DataDive app, we land in our master keyword list. This is actually going to show you organic rank by search term for not only you, but also your best and toughest competitors. If you're new and you're looking for a product to sell, this is going to give you a glimpse into the demand and how hard this category is going to be to compete in. Our next tool is actually going to be the Listing Builder. Listing Builder is going to outline the places that you can enhance or optimize your current Amazon listing. Or again, if you're brand new, this is going to give you a really solid foundation so that right out the gate, you have the highest chance of visibility and the best performing listing possible. From Listing Builder, our next step would be Rank Radar, one of DataDive's most powerful tools. This is where you're going to get a glimpse into your organic rank every single day. This information updates every 24 hours, and you can see how your performance is doing after changes or because of any edits that you may make. In this view, you can also pull in PPC information and SQP data. So this is the central place to find out all of the details of how you're doing. Again, not only broken down by product, but by search terms. One of my favorite tools that we have here at DataDive is our competitor price tracker. You can actually let us know what competitor you want to keep your eyes on, give us your product as well. Not only can we alert you when they run a sale or drop their price, we can actually tell you how it affected your listing. Down below, we also have things like blind spend alerts, growth opportunities, and indexing issues. If it needs your attention, we're going to bring it to you. A quick additional feature I'd love to mention is that we do have ad campaigns. We can track your inventory. And yes, we do have API and MCP capabilities. While this overview is just to give you a general sense of what DataDive can do, I would really love to walk you through using your information or your products or your ideas. Book a demo call with me or with one of my coworkers, and we would love to give you a personalized, in-depth walkthrough of DataDive. I can't wait to meet you.